Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on iPhone 16 Pro. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, choose an app of which you want to change the permissions. I'm gonna choose Lightroom, and here are all of the permissions that you have allowed or disallowed, and to change them, let's go for example to Photos. You can set none, limited access or full access. When it's set to full access, then the app may access all of the photos and videos on your device. When it's set to none, then it accesses none, and when it's set to limited access, then you get to choose which photos and videos can be accessed by the app. So let's go to limited access, and now just select the photos you want the app to access. I'm gonna allow this 15 photos, then tap on done, and now 15 photos are allowed. You can also click here to edit selected photos. Let's go back and go to camera. You can disable or enable camera access. Then go to Siri. You can adjust Siri settings for Lightroom. You can adjust search settings. You can enable or disable notifications and adjust the settings of the notifications. You can disable or enable background app refresh and mobile data. You can also change the app specific language. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.